Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga-Texas construction update video. Well, hey everybody, for this Memorial Day, I decided to try something a little different for Giga-Texas. I got a chance to fly with a good friend of mine and classmate, Geoff Gibbs from the Air Force Academy. This is his plane landing. We got a treat to see a biplane passing as well. And then we got ready to fly in his wonderful Cessna aircraft. We flew up to Giga-Texas, and I got a chance to fly pretty much most of the flight. So it was great for me to get back into the flight and get into an airplane for the first time in a while. Got a chance to get some good views of Giga-Texas, and of course, in the background here, this is Austin Bergstrom International Airport. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video and let's see what Giga-Texas looks like from a slightly higher altitude here on this Memorial Day 2024. If you would like to support my efforts, please consider using these links, which will be in the video description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons on my YouTube video, as this helps as well. Thank you. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga-Texas. Well, as you can tell, we are flying slightly higher than I normally fly with my drone over Giga-Texas, and we're coming in from the southwest heading to the northeast. Good view of most of Giga-Texas, especially the areas that are under construction coming up on the right-hand side of the nose of the aircraft. Now, we had to stay at 5,500 feet. This is over the Class C airspace for Austin Bergstrom International Airport. But we still get a chance to get some great views, and we're going to do a kind of a steep turn around the factory here in a moment. But as we continue to come in, just take a look at this west side. This is the west support facility. You can see the large areas of work being done on that southwest side for the parking lot. You can also see the warehouse on wheels, and if you look closely where the boring tunnel is being constructed, also the west outbound lot and the end of line facility, and also all the way up to the north to Tesla Road, and then of course across State Highway 130 for the main factory and the rest of the site. So let's fly in a little bit closer and take a better look at Giga-Texas today. Really great look at the west support facility, the material handling area on the right hand side of the screen, the warehouse on wheels, the boring tunnel, and you can actually see the dirt that's been cleared going up to the highway, and again the end of line and the outbound lot. Also a good view of the Tesla solar roof and how it clearly spells out Tesla right now. A lot of people ask about the number of solar panels on the roof. There's currently about 30,000 installed. They are operational. They're being used to offset the electrical power requirements for Giga-Texas, but eventually there will be over 70,000 once all of the roof work and the extension is completed. And speaking of the extension, you can tell that the roof decking is pretty much completed now, and the building is starting to take on the form of one contiguous long structure. Also a very good look at the bottom of the screen of the Megapacks site and the electrical switchyard and some of the work that's being done near Tesla Road. Of course, the east parking lot, the east warehouse on wheels, and at the bottom left, the battery cathode plant and the die shop. And the die shop is where we've just recently seen some more EDRA parts being brought in for some of the Gigapress dies that are being manufactured, tested, and also some maintenance in that facility. Good view also of the entire east side, where we know that there are contractor trailers, materials, and additional work. If you look closely at the bottom of the screen next to the die shop and cathode building, you can see how Tesla Road is being prepared for that extension. And also in the center of the screen, a good look at the new multi-level parking garage and the Robotic Avenue extension to the south, and then next to the pond, the extension of River Road to the south as well. A good overall view of all of the sites. It's rare that I can show you in one frame everything here at Giga-Texas that is currently having some construction. And also on the bottom, the center of the screen, on the kind of the left-hand side, you can see that river. That is the Colorado River, and it goes along the south and east sides of Giga-Texas. And a lot of people keep asking, is the Colorado River the same one that we see in the Grand Canyon area of the United States? And no, this is a completely different river, but it is the Colorado River nonetheless. And here's a really good view now from the southeast looking back to the northwest with the entire site, and a great view off to the right of that battery cathode die shop. And you can even see the Martin Marietta batch plant in the upper right of the screen, and that's been responsible for most of the concrete used for Giga-Texas. Now, this is Austin Bergstrom International Airport. This is the airport very near Giga-Texas. I will turn back towards Giga-Texas so you get a good chance to see how close it is. And also, that'll bring to an end our overflight. So I hope that you enjoyed this slightly different view of Giga-Texas and that you had a great Memorial Day weekend. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.